What's going on, everyone? I'm Ivan, and on this video we're going to talk about progressive overload, what it is, how to plan for it, and how to track your progress. So if this sounds interesting to you, let's get to the point. You already know I was going to give you the short answer to that. And the short answer is you add weight to your lift. Yeah. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys. And just like any other video, we're going to have to break that down a little bit better just so you guys get a good understanding of what that is. We're going to try to do it in 5 minutes or less. First, numero uno. Let's define progressive overload my way, aka the Muñoz way, aka easy to understand. So when we're talking about progressive overload, we're kind of talking about increasing the weight on your lift. So every time you go to the gym, you do a certain amount of sets and a certain amount of reps and a certain amount of weight. You track that, and then next time you're trying to add either 2.5 to that weight, to that lift, or maybe 5 pounds. But that's not the only way to progressively overload. That's just the term we use when we want to say that we want to increase weight into our lift. But there's other ways that you could progressively overload, but not really using weight. You're just increasing your workout. Either you're doing more reps or you're doing more sets in order for you to progressively get better. And if you're gonna take this concept and really apply it, you're going to have to track your workouts. There's just no way you're gonna be able to progressively overload if you're not tracking your workout, because you need to track how much you rest, how many sets you're doing, how many reps you're doing, and what weight you're using. If you can remember what you did like 5 days ago, more power on you. But when you're splitting your workouts and you have maybe 6 or 7 workouts, it's pretty hard to remember all that stuff. So you're gonna have to track it. So how are you gonna apply this? Well, let's take the bench press, for example. Let's say you're gonna go do an exercise for the bench press. We're gonna say just flat bench press for now. You're gonna identify what is your rest period, whether you wanna do 60 seconds, 90 seconds, whatever that is, but you need to be consistent. Then you wanna identify how many working sets are you going to have. You'll have your warm-up sets, and then you have your working sets. And those are the ones that you're trying to progressively overload. If you have 2 warm-up sets, you want those to be the same every single time. Same weight, same amount of reps. And then when you take over to do your working sets, that's when you go ahead and you're gonna track that. You're tracking everything, but you're gonna track that one in order so you can increase the weight next time you go into the gym. Keep in mind that your working sets are those sets that you are taking to failure. Now, I've done a video on taking your workouts to failure and what that means, so please go ahead and check that out. But your working sets are those sets that you take to failure, and those are the ones that you're trying to progressively overload or get better at doing. So if you're trying to progressively overload, the next time you go to the gym, you're gonna do the same amount of rest, you're going to do the same warm-up sets, same weight, same reps, and then for those 2 working sets or whatever working sets you have, you're gonna either try to increase that 2.5 or that 5-pound weight on it. So that way you could progressively overload, progressively get better at lifting or get heavy. I messed that up. You could progressively overload so you could get stronger. Damn, I messed that up. Here's where it becomes tricky. When we use progressively overload, yes, we're trying to progressively get stronger by putting more weight on our lifts, but there's other ways to do that, like I mentioned earlier. You could rest less. You can also do more reps, maybe an extra rep, maybe 2 more reps for that working set or the set that you're taking to failure, or you do an extra set. I hope that makes sense. All right, that was it, straight to the point on progressive overload. I know that wasn't that much detail, but again, these videos are short, straight to the point. If you want more detail, comment below, let me know. If you would like to learn more, you already know what to do. Check out my homepage where you can see similar videos like this one, and subscribe if you like what you see. And if you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you guys would like to see next. I'll see you all next time. And this video was short. Plan for it and how to track your progress. So if this